Hey guys, this is Chelsea here at Ligar Technologies. I'm going to be demonstrating for you guys today a recent upgrade we did to a CF-7 Louisiana Delta in HO scale. Now what we've done here is we've added the LEDs, the ditch lights on the front and back, and then we've also added the LEDs for the headlight and the rear light. Additional to that, we put in a Soundtrack Tsunami decoder in there, a sound decoder, the AT1567, and I was very impressed with how my installer did this. It looks like it was just right out of the factory like this. So let me go ahead and turn her on and you guys can see what it looks like and hear all the sounds. So there we've got the ditch lights there that have been painted to match the color of the Athearn Ready to Roll factory yellow paint. We used a polyscale yellow for that. Now as you can see, the extra details have also been added to this locomotive, and it just did an excellent job with that. So what we've also done to this here is we have added beacon light as well, and I'm going to get a nice shot so that you guys can see the beacon light up at the top. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and press F5 here to turn on the beacon light, and as you can see, we've added the LED for the top beacon light as well. Prototypical for switching engines. Okay. We've also added the rear ditch lights as well. So there, we've got the rear ditch lights. And this engine just looks really great with the LED lighting. So hopefully we'll have more like this to show you guys. I've got a few other things on the project desk that we're starting to work on here. And if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call here. And also feel free to comment on our YouTube page. Let me know what you think about it. Thanks.